The next startup who'll be pitching here at UnPluggd Startup Demo is TeamWave.
I'm Sharif, and I'm here with my colleagues, Shabir, Bilal, and Satish. About 7 years ago, about 7 years ago, we started a small services firm. The services firm is called Double Spring. And sometime later, we were fortunate to be able to bootstrap and then build out a CMS product called Black Monk. Black Monk is currently used by about 200 publishers worldwide. Every growing company like us does have business functions. And to manage business functions, we were using a bunch of productivity tools. You might be familiar with some of them. They're very popular. Basecamp, for example, is a gold standard in project management. Pipedrive is one of the fastest growing CRM companies in the US. They're great companies. I mean, they do solve specific problems really well. But if you use these tools, all of these tools, for a long time, like we have, you will realize that the value that you get from them diminishes over a period of time. In fact, our experience has been using these tools, all of these tools, for a really long time. It's been quite a frustrating experience. Why is that? See, different companies that have built out these tools offer different experiences. There is inconsistency in data, design, user experience. After some time, you will get into a situation where your reports are in one place, invoices are in another place, contacts here, milestones there. It's really hard, especially for a small business. Large business, different scenario. But for a small business, it's really hard to keep on top of things. And as a small business owner, I would like all of the different departments in my company, sales, marketing, engineering, all of them to be able to collaborate on one platform. But if you're going to use like 5, 6 different tools, it's really hard. It's really hard. Besides, a small company like us ends up paying something like $300 a month for these tools. $300, because you've got to pay for every single tool, 4 or 5 tools, and then you've got to pay for integration. You've got to sometimes pay for training and support. Our belief is that productivity tools for small business, it's broken, and we're attempting to fix that. I asked myself, what if all of these great tools could somehow be taken and put together on one platform? Like one company providing a unified solution. Wouldn't that be awesome? We've attempted that, and we've tried to solve that problem. I'd like to introduce TeamWave, our integrated suite of business applications. At this time, we've built out projects, CRM and HRMS. And what essentially started off as an attempt to solve our problem has now evolved into a product. We're making this product available to you. We're making this product available to every small business at no cost. TeamWave is a free solution, so when you do get the time, please do check it out. Why should you actually move to TeamWave? What are the benefits? Finally, one place for you to support your clients, whether it's project management, invoicing, everything else. Your clients will thank you for this. Finally, all of your team members can actually collaborate on one platform. So sales, marketing, accounting, everybody can now be on the same platform. All apps share the same information. So if you essentially update a contact somewhere, that contact is then updated in invoicing, it's updated in all over the place. So there is data consistency because data is shared across all applications. Finally, you eliminate painful integrations, multiple logins. I don't think any of us who run small businesses enjoys the idea of jumping between dashboards. You finally have one solution now. No need to jump dashboards, and no multiple logins and no funny business. Today, I'd like to give you a really quick demo of just the CRM app. If you could have the video, please.
view details of a deal, click on it, and from this screen, you can schedule activities with a prospect who is associated with the deal. The activities could be meeting, email, phone, or anything custom. Another notable feature, prospects can be added to contacts via email. All you need to do is to include the smart BCC address in the mail that you send your prospects. TeamWave will then add the prospect to contacts and attach the email to the deal. Here's a cool one. The performance stats of each employee gives you a God's eye view of their progress. Click on the profile to get an overview of the activity and deal closure history of each salesperson. Well, that's it for now, but there's a lot more in projects and HR management. Sign up today and check them out at teamwave.com. Thank you.
I'd like to quickly call my team on stage, just introduce them. Fast. This is Shabir, he's my technical architect. This is my design head, Bilal, and this is Satish, project manager. Thank you.
Okay, that's TeamWave. Any questions for TeamWave? Can we please have a mic there? Okay.
So what is your revenue model as of now? Is it a freemium option? Or?
See, right now we really care about solving this problem for small businesses. We haven't thought through the business model. Something will emerge. Premium features is one of the options, but we just care about solving this problem now. That's all we're sort of bothered about. I'll probably, I don't want to sound pompous, but at the time that we applied for UnPluggd, we had about 300 small business customers who were using the application. And about 2 weeks ago, we made the product available in a public beta. We just launched our public beta. In 2 weeks, from 300, we've gotten to this morning 1,500 customers. And I really think that instead of worrying too much about business model and revenue, I think we should try and solve the problem for these guys. That's a huge market. The rest of it we'll figure out over a period of time.
Okay. We'll take one question. Anybody? Any other questions for TeamWave? Okay.
This question is actually related to your Blackmonk product.
Okay.
Why is it unique for publishers? How is it unique for publishers?
Yeah, I wasn't prepared for this one. So a lot of the publishing tools available in the market right now, a lot of publishers in the market right now, they're using WordPress, and they're using customizations of WordPress. WordPress is a great blogging application, really awesome. We use it as well. But for a small publisher, you also need features for monetization. Monetization is extremely important. Blackmonk has a lot of monetization elements. For example, there's a business directory where users can log in, an advertiser can actually log in, pay and make his listing live. Somebody who's running an event can actually log in, make an event listing and pay for it live. So there are a lot of things that small publishers can benefit from. So that's probably the uniqueness.
Okay. Thank you,
Thank
TeamWave.
you. Thank you.